When the VA receives a claim for monthly tax-free disability benefits, they need to evaluate this claim and give the applicant a disability rating that will define the amount of monthly compensation. In order to collect more evidence, the Department of Veterans Affairs may request that you complete VA Form 21-4138. PDF Filler provides you with an up-to-date fillable template that you can easily complete, sign, and submit online. The 21-4138 VA form includes just 2 pages. A significant portion is allocated for your remarks, so you won't spend much time filling it out. Start preparing the VA Form 21-4138 Statement in Support of Claim by entering your name and date of birth. Indicating your veteran's Social Security number is optional. According to the Privacy Act information at the bottom of the second page, providing a Social Security number helps to ensure that this form is properly associated with your claim, and refusal to provide it doesn't affect your reception of benefits. Then, enter your telephone number and email and mailing address information. After that, it's time to fill out the remarks section. Include testimonials from friends, fellow soldiers, family, or any other person who knows about the veteran's disability to prove that the current conditions are connected with the military service. Once every field has been completed and checked off, date and sign the VA Form 21-4138 Statement in Support of Claim directly in the PDF Filler editor. Then click Done to save the changes you've made. Choose what you would like to do with your 21-4138 VA form next. Print out the resulting document, share it with anybody via email, fax, SMS, USPS, or shareable link, send it out for signature, save it to your device, convert it into a template, or continue editing your document online. Give PDF Filler a try and start saving your time and resources today.